Hi guys, welcome back to another Wednesday makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for this one, you guys. I hope you are too. So these gorgeous beads were sent to me by Uye Accessories. Today's video is a collaboration with her. Actually, she is into bead making. She sells them, she rents them, and all of that. So she sent me these gorgeous beads for us to work with today, and I thought, who am I going to call to model for me today? And the only person that came to my mind was Annie, and I reached out to her, and thank God she was available, and she came in yesterday for us to do this tutorial. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. And if you've seen my videos more than once or twice and you haven't subscribed, why are you like this? Support this ministry, help us take this ministry to the next level. All right, do hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell beside it so you get notification every time we upload a new videos. Like, we have makeup tutorials on this channel every Wednesdays, and we also post some vlogs on Sundays, so you want to stay tuned, keep watching. You guys watch this space.
What beauty blender is this? So
So you guys can ask me any questions if you like in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, please drop them below in the comment section. If you like what you're seeing already, also let me know. You guys gas me up, like, let me know that you like what I'm doing. Alright? Just leave your comment in the comment section, and I will read and respond to every single one of your comments. Alright? Alright guys, now onto the eyes. I'll be using the Zara 9-in-1 Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, and I'll be mixing those two brown shades together, but more of the one underneath. I will just start packing this brown color on her lid with a fluffy brush, and after a while I decided to lift her skin a little bit because I realized that she has some sort of lines, and while I applied the concealer, it's kind of like settled in those lines, so I'm just like spreading the skin so that I can get the eyeshadow on those lines. And now I'm buffing the edges of this brown smoky, so that everything looks really really good and well put together. I'm just using two brushes for this, like nothing complicated at all. This is something you can do under 10 minutes by yourself. I also went ahead to add some pigment adhesive, and now I'm using this pigment from White Glam Cosmetics, and just to make the eyes pop a little bit. And that's pretty much all I did for the eyes. I'm just going to pack that on with a fluffy brush, then I'll use my hand to just press everything together. And I did use the black on that palette to sort of like smoke out her under eye just a little bit, and I'm using a very tiny brush for precision because I don't want the black to be everywhere. And that's it, you guys. After blending out all that powder, this is what her face is looking like up close. And right after this, we moved on to her lips. I'm using my Black Opal Precision lip pencil to line her lips. You guys know this lip pencil is my absolute favorite. Like, I was wondering, like, where have I been all my life? Like, this pencil is the truth. It's so soft and creamy, and I just love it to, every time I'm creating kind of like a brown lippy. I always use it. And I'm using the back, the tail of this brush to sort of like blend this in. Like, it was a lot of blending back and forth. I couldn't have recorded all of that because the video would have been too long. So I did go in with another lip pencil from Zara Cosmetics. I will leave some of the details in my description box, so please check that out. Now I'm using the lip gloss from Zara Cosmetics in Missy. Missy is sort of like a pinkish lip gloss. Now I will go over the top of the lip using a clear lip gloss, and this one is Flawless. It's also from Zara Cosmetics. It's from the XOXO Share collection, Share lip gloss collection. I love it. They smell amazing. I love things that smell great. Like, I'm a sucker for it. And not only that, it smells good, like this stuff is non-greasy, like it doesn't smell, like it's just there, it stays put all day. And now I'm just finishing off the glow with some Candy Glow from Younger Beauty, and this is like a finisher, you guys. You see how her face will be popping after this. I did apply on her cheeks, her nose, foreheads, I think around the tear dot of her eye area. And that was it, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Please do give it a thumbs up. I hope you like it. If you do, please let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Please. If you love my model, if you think she looks beautiful already, don't forget to drop a comment again in the comment section. Yeah. So it's time to start putting the beads. Now, you guys, this is Uyi Accessories on Instagram. Please follow her for all your beads. You want to rent, you need beads for events, whatever. You want her to make brand new beads for you. Please follow her on Instagram. They ship worldwide, yeah. So do follow her. So I'm just trying to put on the accessories. This one is for her head and the one for her chest. So we did take a few pictures after this. Then she changed into the complete one. I decided to remove the neck bead because I feel like it wasn't going to work with this wrapper, so we used this long beads and the headband, and she looks beautiful, so beautiful. And the next one, we did tie her hair off camera, and she looks absolutely stunning. And you see we use the second bead. Now this is what her face looking like up close, you guys. I love the lips. Like, the lips is my favorite. The eyes, I like how subtle and beautiful it looked like. Damn, she's gorgeous. Went outside, because my phone started acting up inside the house. Like, it became dull. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Mwah. I was not dancing. Hey.